Oh my god, I'm finally here at school. That took so long. I'm literally sweating. But hey, at least there was nothing happening today because, it's not raining. I'm really happy. And it's not cold either. Starts to rain. Hail comes down. Guys, not the SH word. Not the H word. HE double hockey sticks. I mean hail, like the things that come out of the sky. So this. Is that what I think it is? I really hope it's not, but I hope I'll be. Now it's raining. What did I bring umbrella? Let's scan what you got. Is this candy? We're gonna eat that. Okay, let's scan what you got. Okay, you good. You have nothing. I never knew they had a security guard. Oh, hi. Hi. She's actually creepy. Long rocker. Everything's a long. Okay, anyways, I'm so glad now they let us use different stuff. My bag's fully packed. I got everything that I could. Okay, and yeah, let's go into class with no people yet. Because, I don't know, I'm just a really quick person that comes to school for some reason. So, yeah. And these are the people, guys. This is her friend. And then this is also her other friend. They're wearing pajamas because, I don't know. Anyways, this is going to be her phone. She would not really. Okay, anyways. Can this girl not sit with me? Oh, hi. Guys, that's one of her friends, by the way. Oh, hi, Mira. Hi. Bro, I have such a bad cough. Oh, guys, pretend they're not wearing pajamas. Where are all the boys at? You girly pops? I'm pretty sure the boys snuck out, on the rooftop. You serious? I hate when the boys do this. It's so annoying. And I hate when I have to go to school. What did you just say? Nothing. Okay. Anyways, it is I, your favorite teacher of all time. Let's get started. 1 plus 1 equals. What does it equal, you peoples? I think I know. Now follow the class, girlies. Okay. Bruh. Okay, I'll put my phone away. He needs to chill for once. He's weird. When the boys, we're sorry we skipped class. Let me just sit on my wheelchair. I don't know how I was walking. Yeah, how were you walking? Yeah. After they're done their class. Okay, since you guys missed the whole math test, what's 30? No, it's 13 plus. Pretend I wrote 13. Oh. Okay. Wait. What's 13 plus 1? That's so hard, dude. Why do you give us the hardest question? I don't know. Oh, I think I know what it is. 25. Yes, Jeremy. You got it right. Good job, Jeremy. Wait, I actually got it right. No, are you weird? Are you weirdo? Jeez Louise. Why is our teacher so weird? I don't know. I mean, are you whispering in class? Whatever. Anyways. Okay, you boys got it wrong because you guys missed the whole math test. 1 plus 2, 1 equals, does any of the girls know? Amir is the smartest, you know, right? 14, I think it was obvious. Yes. See, you boys, you just got it wrong. You guys are just so, why do you guys even skip class? I don't know. I just don't know. Just be quiet already now. I actually don't care now. Anyways, you guys are all done. You guys can go. Actually, the boys have to stay here for a little longer. I'm taking 5 minutes of your recess. Come on, dude. What in the skibbity? That's what you guys get. Chill. Yes. You need to stay here, Regina and Emily. No. Whatever. You guys could leave, except for the boys too. And yeah. Yay. 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 Don't try to go out of here, buddy. My bad. My bad. I did not mean to do that. So 300 plus 300 equals 430. 100 million. Totally. Whatever. Let's just go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Why do the boys even skip class? Like, guys, why is it upside down? Her phone. Oh, fine. Okay. Well, wait, guys. Let's just eat this. I guess you can't drink it. It was totally. I totally didn't pack that. Whoa. My bag is packed. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm coughing like so many times. Anyways, I need to bring my phone with me. And finally, I could chew a little gum before eating. Because he ain't let us. He's good. Yeah. Okay, anyways. Instead of thinking about the teacher, do you guys want to eat lunch on the rooftop? Actually, no. I think we're good right today. Because we're actually good students. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, come on. Oh, we're on the wrong floor. My bad. Come for part 2, y'all.